We are draining the hot water tank at 9:45 at night. This is exciting. It is going to be moved from this closet that's in our kitchen. Our whole house is a disaster right now because we've all been busy and I've been doing this. And next thing is going to be moved is the washer slash dryer combo. And that's going to be an actual closet. And then everything's coming over here. Don't mind the trashed house. Family was gone and I've been working on this stuff. So the house looks like a tornado went through. Everything's coming over here. The hot water tank's going right there. There'll be a big, nice closet, built-in closet. And then washer, dryer, and then another big closet. And that'll be it.